Hello dears and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video we're going to learn how to get a percentage from the commission of the sales. So you can see the names in this table: Tahir, Sam and John. So you can see the sales. For Tahir it's 6,200, for Sam it's 4,100, for John it's 5,100. So we got the commission for Tahir, for Sam and John. It's only 10%, and I want to get the result here. What is the 10% of 6,200? So I'm going to type equal, select the Tahir cells, and we're going to divide this by 100. Then we're going to add multiply. You can manually enter the percentage 10%, or I can select this cell and hit enter. So you can see the 6,200 of 10%, it's 620. Let's drag this. So it's going to autofill. So you can see the result here. For some cells 10% is 410, and for this one is 510. You can use the same method for Excel as well to get the result of the percentage. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.